It is officially not Scary Farm now, and things are way different than the daytime. There are monsters and goblins jumping out everywhere, and we just got spooked in like the first minute of walking in the park. It's awesome.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Growing up outside of California, Orange County seemed like a dream world to us.
If you've ever seen shows like The OC or more recently The Real Housewives of Orange County,
That's my opinion!
then you would understand.
One of these shows shaped our teenage years, and the other one, well, it's just a guilty pleasure.
Both of these shows made us curious. How is Orange County so amazing? I mean, the luxurious lifestyle and the beautiful landscapes. I mean, we need to check this place out.
We're hitting some of SoCal's finest cities in less than an hour away from LA. It's time for a little staycation. We are hitting the road to explore some of SoCal's finest. Big thank you to Irvine and Buena Park Tourism for bringing us out to enjoy the great outdoors here in Orange County.
First up, hiking. Let's go.
Irvine has over 60 miles of hiking and biking trails, and today we are at Bomber Canyon, which is gorgeous. There's massive mountains in front of us, palatial Orange County estates. Can I move in behind us? And it's an awesome place to go hiking. It's October right now, it's 80 degrees, it's sunny. Seems like it's always summer in Irvine. All right, we're done with our hike. It was a great little hike through Bomber Canyon, and we were on our way to the hotel, and all of a sudden, strawberries got us.
That's right, fruit stands.
One of the many reasons I love California. Fresh produce all year round. Get them strawberries now.
I love this. Colette got all excited about strawberries, and the first thing we walked in, she's like, oh, I just want your strawberries. And the lady's like, they're not in season.
So yeah, there is California produce all year round, but not California strawberries all year round. Darn it.
Good morning, beautiful people.
Good morning! So we're going biking this morning around the city.
And in typical LA fashion, we're doing electric bikes. That's right, we're not gonna work too hard today. Take it easy, at least I hope.
We'll see about that.
All right, so we are on our e-bikes, and they are powerful, to say the least. Kind of like Coco.
Small but mighty.
We were riding around Irvine and just checking out some of the trails. We've been told that you can basically bike from here to Laguna if you wanted to, but we're gonna stay here and do a big loop that's supposed to go back to where we were yesterday a little bit,
Yeah.
close to some of the trails, some of the mountain biking
15
trails.
miles on these e-bikes that feel like nothing.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
We made it, I think. I'm not sure if this is what the bike shop was talking about,
I
but
think it is, because it's a pretty epic view.
it's a pretty epic view. We're a little winded, yeah. I mean, electric bikes.
Even on an e-bike.
But we had to full throttle and full pedal to get up to the top of this lookout. But you can see all the city. It's actually kind of beautiful. A little hazy,
It
unfortunately.
is beautiful. There are mountains that way, and in the distance there are other mountains, but they're a little covered by the haze. This is definitely a beautiful viewpoint for hiking and biking. But I like it on an e-bike because it helps me up the hills.
It is lunchtime, folks, and one of the cool things they have is this place called Diamond Jamboree. Sounds a little off, but what it is a food lover's dream. We want to tell you something real quick. Tim Ho Wan is the cheapest Michelin star restaurant in the world.
So it all started in Hong Kong, and we actually went to the Tim Ho Wan in Hong Kong a few years ago.
OG.
So there's multiple outposts of Tim Ho Wan, but it is
Some for breakfast.
A
Yum,
one Michelin
yum in
star.
My tum tum.
And now we in the OC.
going to an outpost of Tim Ho Wan, which has their dim sum specialist. So let's go have some of dim sums.
Mm.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
One thing you need to get while you're here is the baked barbecue pork buns. These things are the ones that got them the Michelin star. We had them in Hong Kong 3 or 4 years ago, and now we're having them again. Bon appetit. Oh my God, it's better than I remember. There's like sugar on the outside, nice salty barbecue on the inside. Delish. I'm gonna need another one. Tim Ho Wan, Tim so long.
That was so good. It was actually way better than I remember it being in Hong Kong, so good job, OC.
Yeah, those buns, absolutely a must.
Nice
Barbecue pork
buns.
buns, phenomenal. Sweet, sugary outside and tasty, savory. I mean, if you're a foodie, you gotta come get that. Cheapest Michelin star in the world.
Yeah, so the buns there that we got, they were only $5. $5 for the best buns ever.
But
Great
now,
deal.
after this Asian food tour, I've got, I guess, an Asian food baby.
Congratulations, Scott.
I'm expecting. Oh.
I got A, B, C, D.
It's all about that. I'm like a little girl, I'm immediately 5 years old again. So I thought the Hello Kitty, thank you so much. I thought the Hello Kitty Cafe would be all about like candies and coffee, but there's adult beverages here. And since it's Halloween, I got a Halloween themed Hello Kitty Witch's Brew cocktail. It's so good. Thank you.
Today is an exciting day because we're going to,
Knott's Berry Farm!
that's right, one of our favorite places, and in October it turns to Knott's Scary Farm. Ooh. But before we do that, we gotta get something to eat because, you know, things are expensive in this park. So we're gonna get some breakfast and then act like kids again.
Love when that happens. Okay, we are at Porto's Bakery and Cafe, fueling up for our day at Knott's Berry Farm. And this place is packed. It is crazy. And it is a Cuban restaurant, and we ordered a Cuban sandwich because, you know, Porto's.
What better way to start the day than with a Cuban sandwich? Looks like it's straight out of Miami. I mean, Cuba, but you know what I mean. I mean, most of the time we have them in Miami. I took way too big of a bite. Oh, this is delicious. You want some?
Mm-hmm.
Now, hopefully, we don't lose this on the rides. I think it'll be okay.
We learned this the hard way. Learn from our mistakes. Grab a menu before you get in line. They're right here. There's so much stuff here. It is overwhelming. But that Cuban sandwich, fuego. It was so good.
How you feeling?
All right, now I'm getting a little scared. I'm seeing the severity of this ride, how big it is, how fast we're gonna go. I was all calm and prepared before, but now that I see the ride in front of me, I'm getting scared.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
It was very aggressive.
I'm dizzy.
I'm dizzy as well.
We just did the silver bullet first thing out of the gates. We went a little hard. I wish I had video of Coco when we get ready to hit the ride.
When we were going up on that roller coaster and it was like tick, 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 I just thought, I immediately regret this decision. What am I doing? I think I might have been crying a little bit. Now I'm exhilarated. Let's do another one.
Let's go.
Wait until you see her. A, B, C, D, me. My hometown girl.
All right, we're taking a little almost a siesta break, right? Yeah, we take a break while they're basically, well, I mean, it's already turned over, but the scary part of Knott's Scary Farm doesn't start till 7 o'clock. We've had plenty of roller coasters, and it's time to just relax.
Scott, did you scream today?
Oh, I screamed.
Yeah, he
But
did.
are you gonna get scared tonight?
Yeah. Knott's Berry Farm, you've changed. It is officially Knott's Scary Farm now, and things are way different than the daytime. There are monsters and goblins jumping out everywhere, and we just got spooked in like the first minute of walking in the park. It's awesome.
Oh, it's one of the best parts. They have little goblins guys who will run around, and basically they have like metal clips on their toes and knees, and totally
shin guards, and they
shin
like
guards.
slide out in front of you.
It's the best and worst part of Knott's Scary Farm.
Oh no! Take 2, Blair Witch Project.
It does kind of look like the Blair Witch Project. All right, so we have been getting scared countless times. I think Colette a little bit more than I am.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I absolutely love this part. I mean, where else? Actually, it's kind of terrifying because
I know,
right
like
now
someone might come out of nowhere.
I'm just kind of like hoping they don't jump up and scare me right now. But we went and checked out a few of the haunted houses, and that's what a lot of people come here for. Even though the rides are still running, there's some going off right behind us. You can still ride the rides, but the haunted
Is he
houses,
coming this way?
mazes. Oh god.
Oh, no.
There's someone coming. Maybe not. Maybe we're okay.
You want to come in? No.
It's just, all right, this guy's just gonna stand there, and he finally. But I think we're gonna get out of here because I don't think my heart can take it anymore.
I thought it was someone to scare us. I thought you were coming to scare us.
All right, yes, I think that's it. I think it's time to head out.
Yeah, Knott's Scary Farm. I don't know what it is about being scared that is so much fun, but I love it here. We actually came here for Scott's 30th birthday.
Oh, you're
back.
dating. Ah, God! That's it. I'm out of here.
Today's